Howdy everybody out there in YouTube land. Today we're going to be taking a look at the once in a blue moon card trick. This is a 4-of-a-kind production that I've been doing for quite a while. It was probably one of the first tricks that I learned when I first started doing magic. So this can be done completely by the spectator, but since I don't have one, I'm going to have to do it myself. So we're going to mix up the cards. That way we can go ahead and jump into something here. So let's go ahead. 1, 2, 3, put some cards here. Some cards here. I almost ran out of cards there. This one here. And let's go here. Okay. Did I say I was going to mix up the cards? You know what? Something feels off here. You know what? This happens once in a blue moon. Once in a blue moon, yeah, that's what I thought. Once in a blue moon, you actually get 4 of a kind. Yeah. So there's the once in a blue moon. Let's go ahead and learn it. So this is a 4-of-a-kind production. It starts with the 4 of a kind on top. Oh, we lost one. Where did you go? We lost it somewhere in the pack, as if by magic. Oh, wait a second. Here you are. So 4 of a kind on top. You can have the spectator do everything. You just have to lead him, guide him, if you will, very gently, so he doesn't know that what you're doing. But you're forcing everything except for the top packet, because the top packet's going to have the 4 of a kind. We're going to show you a bonus here at the end how you could do this alternatively a different way. So go through your whole motion, 3 down, 3 across. What that's going to do is that's going to allow you to have a reason to put a card on top. So just imagine 1 there, 3 down here. That's the objective, is to have a card over here. And this is going to supposedly mix up the pack. You're going to put 3 down and 3 across, and now the magic is done. You can build the tension however you like. And now there's a 4 of a kind on top. So I can actually do this trick as part of a routine with a 4 of a kind. So I'll actually do this as part of a three-step process, and I'll do this at the end for a reveal of a third. It's actually a third 4 of a kind. So alternatively, you can do this with the cards on the bottom, and what I'd have you do is I'd recommend that you do a force. So for instance, you say you want the top or bottom packet. If they say top packet, great. You just take the top packet off. If they say the bottom packet, you swivel over, put this packet down. That's the top packet. See the 7's on the bottom. Go ahead and do it again. Top or bottom. If they say top, great. Just put the top packet down. If they say bottom, pivot over, put it down. So now that leaves you with a smaller packet here, and then here's what you're going to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, a pile of 4, and you're going to create 4 different piles. You've ended here in the middle, so there's a suspicion that's been alleviated because you didn't have an even number of cards. So you say, once in a blue moon, you can actually get all 4 7s just like that, by having the cards on the bottom and dealing them out, forcing off smaller piles so you're not here all day dealing out all of the cards. And there you have it, the once in a blue moon plus a variant. Hope you enjoyed, and remember, stay positive, stay active, and stay awesome, and we'll see you in the next one.